Today we are going to delve into the fascinating world of charisma and explore the power of balancing warmth and competence. Picture this. You encounter someone who exudes both warmth and competence. They have a natural ability to make you feel safe and capable at the same time. It's like being in the presence of a trusted friend who possesses incredible intelligence and capability. Let's say you are in a project team meeting and your leader displays this ideal blend of warmth and competence. They not only have a friendly demeanor that puts everyone at ease, but also demonstrate impressive knowledge and problem-solving abilities. They actively listen, collaborate, and encourage everyone's input. In this scenario, your leader earns your respect and your admiration. You feel comfortable approaching them with ideas, concerns, or challenges. You know they will not only understand but also provide guidance and support. This balance creates a sense of trust and credibility that is essential for effective leadership and building strong connections. However, for many of us, there exists an imbalance between warmth and competence. Sometimes we might come across as overly friendly but lacking in expertise. Or perhaps we are highly competent but struggle to connect with others on a personal level. The good news is that we can cultivate and improve these qualities. By practicing active listening, empathy, and building rapport, we can enhance our warmth. Similarly, by continuously developing our skills, knowledge, and showcasing our expertise, we can boost our competence. Remember, charisma is not reserved for a select few. It's a skill that can be learned and honed over time. By striving for the perfect balance of warmth and competence, we can become leaders who inspire, foster collaboration, and earn the respect and admiration of those around us. Thank you for joining me today. Embrace the power of warmth and competence, and let's create a world where leaders are both highly effective and very approachable. So see you next time. Until then, bye-bye.